Let's make some lunch for her kids and go vote for the kids. How are you guys doing tonight? Number one, I said, how are you guys doing tonight? I'm used to concerts.
This incredible woman is the first Latina in the Senate. We need her. This is a moment where the environment is on the line, women's rights are on the line, the economy is on the line, voting rights are on the line, democracy itself is on the ballot. And we need to vote for people who are protecting all of our voices.
Are watching, it's either CCM or Catherine Cortez Masto on the ballot.
Yes.
I have a lot of followers that are younger. I also have a lot of mommy followers.
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything?
Absolutely. That every vote in this state matters. Your vote can make a difference in electing individuals who are going to support you and your issues and your children and your future. You can vote on Tuesday. You can mail in your ballot or drop it off. It's the difference between who's going to stand up for women's rights and this issue.
Right. You heard her.